Today, the video is about updates. We don't got much going on over here. We did go to the track day. I went, Rob came, he didn't bring his car. Our friend Dusan came out with us. He has a 4-door EK Civic, actually a 98 spec, and it's manual. And so it's pretty close to what this car is. It's all stock though, all stock interior and all stock motor. He just picked it up. So we had fun out there at the track day. It was probably one of the best track days at the firm that we've been to because there wasn't a lot of people out there, and I got a lot of good practice and lap times and a new personal best, which I'm super excited about. So I'm going to show you guys that clip of my lap time in a moment. Car is up in the air because I had a little bit of a oh shit moment at the track. I'll show you a clip now of what happened. I was going through the S's at the firm, as you just saw. I hit that last curb and I think my wheel was turned and it sent me straight off the track on the back end of the firm, and it's really bumpy off track. I think they have like ridges in the dirt kind of built up, so it kind of slows the car down. Me hitting those pretty quickly broke the front lip right off, broke the bottom of the bumper as well, which is kind of a bummer. But I don't have an expensive, cool aftermarket bumper. I have a cheap eBay bumper, which is the best if you're gonna go tracking because of this reason. You never know when you're gonna go off, and spending $800 or $1,000 on a JDM bumper that's super cool and then blowing it to bits when you go off the track is shitty. So I'm glad I spent nearly nothing on that. I broke my EK4 lip, which was aftermarket eBay crap. That kind of snapped in half. I ran over it as well when I went off. But I have my old Mugen lip here, the replica eBay Mugen lip, which is actually going to go on and fix the front end a little bit because the bumper's missing a part of the bottom there. I'll show you guys right now while I'm talking. And so you can see that it will help cover that up and make it not look so bad. Before we get to my best lap time at our last track day and some clips of us out there, I wanted to just give you guys an update on Robbie's car, his EG. It's been it's been tough with his car. We're not experts, as we've said all the time. He did the Y8 engine swap after his Z6 had a rod knot. Getting an OBD2 engine to work in an OBD1 chassis is a little bit complicated. Maybe not to some of you guys who have done this before, but it's been troublesome for us to get the engine to run right. We've been working on it. I've been going up and helping him, and as well as Dusan and our friend Juan have all been trying to get his car running. It's actually in a really good spot right now. We're really close to getting it running to the best that it can be. So he's been just trying to get the car going, and it's running pretty well. Problem we're having is that the ignition timing we think is not quite where it needs to be. It's running a Y8, but it's running it with a P28 Z6 computer. The timing we think needs to be at 16 degrees, but a Y8 wants to run at 12, but the computer wants to run at 16. It runs, but it's running at 12 degrees of ignition timing, and we feel, and Rob feels, that it needs to be at 16 because it just doesn't have, just not getting the power that we feel like it should be. But it's running okay. So he's working on that. Hopefully he'll be out at our next track day. And check out my latest fastest lap time at the firm. I think Robbie and Dusan gave me some tips to try out with what gear to be in on certain parts of the track and staying in third gear instead of dropping down to second, especially on the wall turn before the straight. I think that really helped me pick up a little bit of time. So I did get my fastest lap time out there yet, and I'm super happy to just be making progress as I go. Check it out. Okay guys, that's it for now. Thanks for subscribing and supporting us and staying along for the ride. You know, follow us on Instagram. You get some updates here and there. We'll see how YouTube goes. Can't make any promises for you guys. Videos will be sparse from here on out for a while. And anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time.